Hey guys, hello guys, welcome back. It is Rydog Reacts. This is my first video on YouTube. I was thinking about doing sneakers. I am in love with sneakers. I love sneakers, but I'm going to be doing sneakers and reactions. But today, I don't have my original computer. I have my laptop with me. So we're going to be reacting to Montana of 300 Ice Cream Truck. I've heard people have been saying this song has bars. I think I maybe heard it, I don't know. So let's just get right into it, starting right now.
Ratchets on deck, passing pistols to my mans. 3 killers with me, whiskey masses in the van. We gon' pull up like the ice.
Hey, this is dope. Hey, he knows how to rap, bro. He's got some bars on him. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Oh.
See, he thought it was safe. He thought all I did was rap till I showed up with them straps. Then I turned up to the max. Yeah.
He just said all he thought I did was rap till I showed up with the straps and turned it to the max. Bro, that's so catchy. Like, that's just too catchy of a song.
I be getting paid, nigga. I be getting guap. I told bro them get the dough like I heard somebody knock. Niggas hate me and my mans because we be getting bands. 40 in my pants, tell her it's time to dance, boy. Don't make me come find y'all. I be letting that iron off. Get shots when I'm frying off. Your brains on the side, walking right after I pop 'em. I swear I forget about them niggas. Claim they with the shits until I shoot the shit up out 'em, yeah. Ratchets on deck, passing pistols to my mans. 3 killers with me, whiskey masses in the van. We gon' pull up
like the ice cream truck. Bro, this has bars right now, bro. Like rubber bands. Them just never had a chance. Come look like the ice cream truck. Straight out the window like the ice cream truck. Bro, he looks like Fetty Wap for some reason. Let's see team goes.
My wrist look like some sprinkles. Iron in my pants like I'm getting out the wrinkles. Take a nigga out and I ain't talking about a date. Cook a nigga like a steak and fix his niggas like a plate.
Dang.
Like a pussy you get pop. Send your ass to heaven gates. Got the police on your block. Decorate with yellow tape.
Send your butt to heaven gates. He kills that right there.
Go to church, okay, fuck boy, you softer than Nerf. I'm lurking off your turf. When I clap at you, I leave families blue. I'ma pop a nigga, no smurf. These niggas clowns and I'ma kill a clown. So jokers don't post up and no joke. I don't smoke, but I'ma burn one when I roll up. My mask on, my gloves on, so I don't give a fuck who see me. That send me pop and start sending shots. I put you in a box like Houdini. Get smoked like loud packs when I pull up where your house at. Y'all bitch niggas, y'all fool gazy. My crew crazy, we Ratchets on deck, passing pistols to my mans. 3 killers with me, whiskey masses in the van. We gon' pull up like the ice cream truck. Straight out the window like the ice cream truck. Rolling down your block,
pop like rubber bands. And there's his album, guys, right there. I've heard him doing wiping and all that, So I've heard his new album is like Fire in the Church with Life in You and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with more reactions to Montana of 300. Right now, I've actually heard this and the song, and I just wanted to react to it for you guys because this dude really can spit some bars. And like, he's my favorite rapper. He just is crazy. He knows how to rap. Like, he knows how to rap. It straight up. But so thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with some more videos. So like, comment, and subscribe. So peace out.